Want to start a side hustle but haven't made your move yet? You are not alone. A recent survey shows that over 60% of adults want a side hustle, but less than 20% actually start one. Why? Because they don't prepare for what's coming. In this video, I will share 3 things you must do before starting a side hustle. Things that could make or break your success. Stick around to the end for a powerful true story that will change how you see self-doubt and fear of failure. Before we dive in, take a second to like this video so more aspiring entrepreneurs can see it. Subscribe for weekly wealth building tips and drop a comment below. What's holding you back from starting your side hustle? Tip number 1. Don't worry about what family and friends think. What is one of the biggest dream killers? Fear of judgment. You are afraid your family and friends will think your side hustle is beneath you or laugh if it fails. You hesitate to start. You hide your ideas, and worst of all, you let their lack of support stop you. Let me tell you, family and friends are usually the last to support. Even the Bible tells us that the prophet has no honor in his hometown. If you want to succeed, you have to tune out the noise and focus on the vision. Tip number 2. Build in silence. We all want validation, but the truth is, sharing your goals too soon can kill them. When I started writing Rich, Young and African, only my wife knew. It took me 2 years. Imagine if I had told someone who discouraged me early on, I might never have finished it. Some people don't want you to win. Others will mock you if you fail. So move in silence. Share with only those who need to know. Stop seeking validation for things you are about to do. Get validations for things you have done. Build, then show results. Tip number 3. Shadow successful people. Not everyone will mentor you. Some are too busy. Some see you as competition. Instead of begging for attention, shadow them. I once tried connecting with a successful entrepreneur. He ignored me, but I studied his work, how he built funnels, how he sold. I signed up for his free stuff and learned everything I needed. That is smart hustle. Learn by watching. Take notes, then execute. Let me wrap this up with a true story about believing in yourself. George Dantzig, a graduate student, arrived late to class and copied 2 math problems from the board. Thinking they were homework, he solved them, only to later learn they were famous unsolved problems that had stumped experts for years. He cracked them because no one told him they were impossible. That's the power of ignoring doubt, yours and others. Start your side hustle today. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for validation. Want more tools to build wealth and gain financial freedom? Grab my book, Rich, Young and African, by visiting jpatuei.com/book. Download my free budgeting template by visiting my newsletter at jpatuei.com/newsletter. Check out my courses on debt repayment and budgeting. Links in the description and comment section. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.